Hello, welcome on this channel. My name is Stéphane, and if you want to learn saxophone from the beginning, you are at the right place. So I give lessons for my good friend Ville that I can't see. He's too far away. I'm in France, he's in Finland, so I decided to teach him, but with you, with all the community, and each week you'll have a new lesson. As Ville will send me feedback, I will adjust the lessons for him, but also it will help for you. So if you start for now, you can take the first lesson first week and have your journey to learn the saxophone by yourself and have all the video in the same order, so enjoy, learn the saxophone quickly, because you can in few weeks, in few months, be able to play this instrument that is not really difficult, but you have to follow the beginning and follow the right step as to produce a good sound. So welcome on this channel. My name is Stéphane, and I hope you will enjoy my lessons.